Hi everyone, this is Ian from SuperSparks, and I'm just going to quickly show you how to implement our new data import setting. So the first thing that this would be useful for is dynamically displaying the average rating or total reviews slash comments data for each CMS item inside of a collection list element. So for example, if you wanted to show the average rating on each listing, like this example, or show the total amount of comments for a blog post or article on the clickable preview, this is all possible through this setting. And then the second thing that this would be useful for is creating your own custom aggregate rating schema, such as these examples here, for your CMS item or e-commerce product pages. Okay, so let's jump into the tutorial. So first off, you're just going to select the Spark for the reviews or comment section that you previously implemented on your website. So just going to click here. Afterwards, I'm going to select the Webflow data import setting, and I'm going to switch on this toggle button. And once I do that, I'm going to select the CMS collection that I would like to import this data into. And afterwards, after selecting the collection, I'll be able to match the different data types with my different CMS fields. So for total reviews, I'm going to select the total reviews custom field. And then for average rating, I'm just going to select average rating. So one important detail worth noting is that these should be number fields in your CMS collection. Okay, after we match the different data types, we can click Save Settings. One additional point worth noting is that if you did not want to import one of these data types, you can always leave this blank. Okay. So let's now see this in action. So I'm just going to open up this page with the CMS list element, and then I'm just going to click on a movie that I'd like to add a review to. I'm just going to give this 4 stars. Post review. I'm just going to leave one more. Okay, so now if we go to our CMS collection for movies, you'll see that this data is automatically imported into the CMS item that we just left our reviews on. So one other important detail worth noting is to make sure that the decimal formats and precision match up with the settings in SuperSparks. So as you can see here, in SuperSparks we're rounding to the first decimal, and we're doing the same in Webflow. Okay, now we can get started pulling in this data into the CMS item elements. So for here, I'm just going to select average rating, and then I'm going to select total reviews for this. I also suggest you play around with the conditional visibility. So just in case this number is 1, you want to make sure that it's grammatically correct. What you can do is you could basically only show this when total reviews equals 1. Okay, there we go. And then for the schema, I'm not going to go into too much detail on this because there's many different ways you can configure this. and there's a lot of tutorials on the Webflow community forum. But the idea here is that you would dynamically pull in the average rating and total reviews into a JSON LD code snippet. Okay, so yeah, that pretty much covers everything. Do not hesitate to reach out to Ian at supersparks.io if you have any questions, and thanks for watching.